Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our 10-minute cheesecake, I love this so much, I've just got a packet of cream cheese, so 250 gram, I think it's about 8-ounce packet, and then half a cup of cream, whipping cream or heavy whipping cream, and then we want 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And if someone has a bit of a sweet tooth, this isn't very sweet, so you might like to consider upping your dose of maple syrup, but you know, just depends on taste. Best maybe just to do it with 2 and then taste and see how you find it. Okay, and then we're going to get our stick blender. You could do this in a food processor as well, but I like the stick blender because it's, you know, less cleaning up. It does take a little bit extra time, but you just want to work the cream. It'll take a little bit, but essentially we're just going to puree it until it's nice and smooth. Great. So when the mixture looks beautiful and cheesecakey and smooth, you can just clean up the stick blender. You might like to have a taste. Okay, then I've got 3 glasses that I've just chopped. I've kept 6 whole pecan or pecan halves aside for decorating, and then I've just chopped the rest. So we've got 60 grams, which is 2 ounces of roasted pecan. So they're just in the bottom of my glasses there, so they look really pretty. You could use teacups, whatever you've got that's going to be nice and small. And then we're just going to spoon a cheesecake mixture over the top. This makes 3, which is a bit of an odd number. You could stretch it out to 4 if you wanted to, do really small serves. But I like to just use the whole packet of cream cheese when I'm doing it, so it's up to you. And then we just want to smooth the tops. Don't want it to look too perfect. And then we'll top with our pecans that and you can give it an extra drizzle of maple syrup if you like. And then you can serve it straight away. It's pretty soft, or you can pop it in the fridge. You know, I wouldn't keep it do it in advance more than a couple of hours because the pecans on the bottom are going to go kind of soggy. But that's it. Cheesecake ready in 10 minutes. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.